In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote and fix issues like fast battery draining, pairing problems, unresponsive buttons, or whatever it might be. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is unplug your Fire TV or Fire Stick from power. As soon as it's unplugged, grab your remote and press and hold down on the menu button, the back button, and the left buttons at the exact same time for about 12 to 15 seconds. I'm not going to lie, I would recommend counting out loud just so you know that you have held it down long enough. After that though, flip the remote around and remove the batteries from the back of the remote and plug your Fire TV back into power. As soon as it turns on, put the batteries back into the remote and then press and hold down on the home button until the remote reconnects and pairs again. If your batteries keep dying quickly, some tips that I would recommend doing is not mixing old and new batteries, using high quality AAA alkaline batteries, and using a newer remote. So if you do still have like an older remote, upgrading them can definitely help out. Also, keep your remote on like a flat surface. Some buttons are going to be super sensitive and can get pressed accidentally, which does drain power. Using voice commands also does drain power a lot more. But with normal use, you should get about 3 to 6 months of battery life. But that is it. That is how you can reset your Fire TV remote and help prevent battery drain issues. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.